Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data science with Apple, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by exploring the various data science tools available in Apple's ecosystem. Download and install Xcode from the Mac App Store. Xcode includes all the necessary tools for developing data science applications. Next, familiarize yourself with Swift, Apple's programming language. Swift is user-friendly and perfect for data science projects. Consider downloading Jupyter Notebook for Swift. Jupyter allows you to create and share documents with live code. Install Swift for TensorFlow to leverage machine learning capabilities. Visit the official Swift for TensorFlow website for installation instructions. Get comfortable with using command line tools through Terminal. Use Terminal to run scripts and manage your data science projects efficiently. Collect datasets from Apple's open data initiatives or other public domains. Use CSV files to easily manage and import your data into your projects. Once you have your data, focus on data cleaning and pre-processing. Utilize Swift libraries like TensorFlow and CreateML for data manipulation. Next, explore visualizing your data using Swift. Use libraries such as Charts or SwiftUI for creating insightful graphs. After visualizing, build predictive models using machine learning algorithms. Train and test your models to evaluate their performance effectively. Finally, iterate on your models by refining data inputs and parameters. As you progress, refer to Apple's developer documentation for additional resources. Stay engaged with online communities focused on data science and Swift. Experiment with your own projects to reinforce your learning and skills. End your tutorial by summarizing your key takeaways and next steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.